Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Showbiz Shadows, where we bring you the latest celebrity news and scandals that will leave you stunned. Today, we're talking about one of hip-hop's biggest moguls, Sean Diddy Combs, who's been accused of sex trafficking and racketeering. But what if I told you his lawyers are claiming he might not have been mentally capable of committing these crimes due to substance use? That's right, folks, it gets even more complicated. According to documents obtained by People, prosecutors filed a motion on Sunday to dispute any testimony that might show Diddy didn't have the mental capacity to commit these crimes. The defense is arguing that their expert witness, Dr. Alibi, has testified that Diddy's substance use impacted his mental state, and now prosecutors are trying to block this testimony from being included in the trial. Now, let's break down what mens rea means. It's a fancy legal term that translates to guilty mind. In other words, prosecutors need to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Diddy committed the crime with a culpable state of mind. But if he was under the influence of drugs and alcohol at the time, does it change the game? The prosecution's motion is saying no, folks. They're claiming that if a defendant wants to introduce expert evidence about their mental condition bearing on guilt, they need to provide notice to the government first. It's like they're trying to trip up Diddy's lawyers and limit the defense's ability to present their case. But here's the thing, Diddy is an accused man, not a defendant. He's been indicted on these charges, which means he's already been declared guilty by the court of public opinion. The question now is, will the judge and jury agree? Diddy's lawyers have been fighting this prosecution tooth and nail, saying it's an unjust case that's based on speculation and hearsay. They're trying to paint Diddy as a loving family man who's also made mistakes in the past, but not necessarily a criminal. The trial is set to begin on May 5th in New York, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it. Will justice be served? Will Diddy's defense team succeed in casting doubt on these allegations? Stay tuned for more updates from Showbiz Shadows.